Hi everyone, on this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the issue of your fabric not moving. Now you set to sew and you turn the balance wheel towards you and see what happens. The fabric is not even moving, and this can lead to machine jamming, thread breakage and all of that. Now let me quickly show you how to fix a problem like this. Now you can fix this yourself, and that is the purpose of this video. I'm just going to walk you through how you can do this. As you can see, turning the balance wheel is becoming very difficult, and I can't even pull the fabric. And this all happened because our fabric wasn't moving. And I'm just trying to retrieve back my top thread. It's really difficult. Now this is the cause of the problem: the feed dogs. And these small metal teeth under this presser foot is called the feed dogs. Now watch what happens as I turn my balance wheel towards me. As you can see, as the needle goes down and up, you see the feed dogs also goes up, down, then forward and backwards. Now these feed dogs is responsible for moving the fabric. And most sewing machines have their feed dogs lever very close to the bobbin case, while some are being hidden elsewhere. But for this sewing machine, for both of that sewing machine, let me show you where the screw holding the feed dog lever is so that you can tighten this. Because when the feed dog is too low, as you can see, mine is too low right here. That is why my fabric wasn't moving. It needs to be high enough to catch the fabric. Okay. Now first, take off the belt. And after taking off the belt, let me show you something right here. Now this is the very screw. This is the screw that holds the feed dog lever. So when this screw is loose and you're sewing thick fabric like your jeans, with the pressure on the pressure foot, then the feed dog teeth can tend to lower. That means the feed dog becomes lowered because this screw is loose and the pressure on the pressure foot is high and the fabric you're working on is thick like jeans. Then your feed dog can be lowered and then make the fabric to stop moving. So with this screw right here, you can loosen a little bit and then correct the height of the feed dog to a sewing standard. Okay, now let's do this together. As you can see, I'm turning the balance way. Now you can see the movement of this joint right here, and you can see that it is this very screw that is controlling the feed dog. So with this screw, you can configure the feed dog to become higher or lowered. Okay. Now mind you, before tampering with this screw right here, you should be very sure that your feed dog teeth is very lowered, and it is the cost of your fabric not moving and not because the pressure is too high on the pressure foot or because the feed regulator screw is loose. So before tampering with this screw right here, make sure that the issue is coming from the feed dog. Okay, because you just don't want to play with the feed dog level. Okay, now let's do this together. So after loosening the screw, then you are going to configure in such a way that the feed dog. Now after unscrewing the screw holding the lever, use your left hand to push the lever so as to control the teeth upwards a little bit, not too much, but a little bit, enough to be able to catch the fabric. Okay, and then tighten the screw back. Then tighten back the screw. And make sure you tighten up very well so that you don't encounter issues like this. Then retrieve your machine. As you can see now, our fabric is moving.